In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how you can use the text to video mode on InVideo to turn your articles or scripts into professional videos without making any complex edits. Start by clicking the text to video option in the dashboard to open up a library of suggested video templates. Click on the template of your choice and select the aspect ratio you want, and then click on Use this template to start editing. This will open up the storyboard editor with your script tab open on the left and your canvas on the right. You can enter your text in the script box and then check the auto image and video selection feature to allow the InVideo editor to suggest media for your script automatically. Once you click on Create Scenes, the editor will convert your script into slides with each new line of text on a separate slide. You can then go ahead and make any changes you want to the text copy from within the script box. To replace or add any additional media on your slides, you can choose your media from the Assets library on the left. Simply select the asset or the media component that you want and drag and drop it onto the canvas. Once there, you can reposition it, resize it, as well as edit it using the contextual menu on top of the canvas. You can also add additional slides to your video by selecting the plus icon below each slide and then choosing the type of slide you want. You can then go ahead and make changes to each individual slide like we just showed you here. Once your visuals are logged, it's time to go ahead and make changes to the audio. Now your template comes with a default music track. If you want to change it, simply go to the music tab in the Assets library and select the music that you want. And once you click on the plus icon, it will automatically replace the default soundtrack. Once everything is logged, click on the play button beneath the canvas area to preview your video. And if everything looks good, simply click on the download option in the top right corner, select your resolution and then hit export. And that is how you can turn any article or script into a professional video in minutes using InVideo's text to video templates. This is Aditi with InVideo, and I am excited to see how you use this mode to turn your articles and scripts into compelling videos.